Turbo is a bright red toy car with shiny wheels that sparkle in the sunlight. He lives in a cozy corner of Max's garage surrounded by other toys. Unlike other toy cars, Turbo has a secret. When Max isn't looking, Turbo comes to life. Even more amazing, Turbo has a magical button on his dashboard that can open portals to imaginary worlds. One sunny afternoon, Max finishes playing and leaves Turbo in the garage. As soon as the door closes, Turbo's headlight and his wheels spin with excitement. Time for an adventure. Turbo says to himself. Earth's atmosphere. Poppy steered the ship back toward Earth, where the sky was covered in a thin, invisible blanket called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made of air, she explained to her crew, but air isn't empty. It's full of tiny, moving particles and layers of warm and cool air. Astro peered out the window. What does that have to do with twinkling? Poppy grabbed her magnifying glass and pointed it at a beam of light from Glitterbeam. Light from a star travels a long way to reach us, but when it gets to Earth's atmosphere, the air bends and shakes the light just like waves in the ocean. That's why stars look like they're twinkling. So the twinkle is a trick of the air, asked Astro. Exactly, Poppy said with a grin. She sketched a diagram of a star, the Earth's atmosphere, and the wiggly path the light took in her notebook. The atmosphere acts like a giant wavy window, making the light from the stars dance. Twinkle experiments. To test her theory, Poppy set up an experiment in the ship's lab. She shone a flashlight, pretending it was a star, through a clear bowl of water with a fan blowing across it. The water and fan created little waves and wiggles in the light, just like the atmosphere did to starlight. Look, the light wiggles and twinkles just like a star, Poppy said, showing her crew. Astro clapped his tiny metal hands. Mystery solved. Stars don't actually twinkle, it's the air on Earth that makes them look that way. Bolt added, and if you go to space like us, the stars don't twinkle at all. They shine steady and bright. The twinkling lesson. Poppy wrote the answer in her notebook with a big, happy star doodle. Why do stars twinkle? Stars twinkle because Earth's atmosphere bends their light, making it look like they're sparkling. Astro raised his hand. What's our next question, Captain Poppy? Poppy laughed. The universe is full of questions, Astro. Let's keep exploring and solving them one by one. With a whoosh, the stellar explorer zoomed off toward the next big adventure, leaving behind the twinkling stars and a happy, curious crew ready for whatever mysteries the universe had in store.